the project we're going to do. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm not sure how old it is, but it really looks kind of nice. It has here, it says Phillips. I don't know if that says C6. I think it's a number 3 Phillips, but anyways, it's got a patent numbers, 2 patent numbers, I'm not sure why. And then it says Maine, USA. I don't know if we can make out what that says there yet. I want to clean it up. Maybe we can read that just a little bit better. But the handle is still colored really well. There's some wear. I'm not going to try, like I said, to do a restoration. I just want to do a preservation, and let's preserve this. We'll probably do a linseed coat on the wood handle. We'll clean all the rest of this up. It's got the, I always like these with the little the octagonal end there, or up here, so that you can put a wrench on there and get a little extra leverage. So this looks like a good quality little tool. Let's get it fixed up. So here's our little preservation. We've got the handle treated with a little moisture with some linseed oil. We've got all of the patina, the rust and everything off of this shaft, and we've got this dressed up. You can see it a little bit closer here when you look at it and you read a little better. I still don't know how to pronounce that. It's Vlchek. It's only one vowel in there, so I'm not sure how that's pronounced. Maybe some of you can help me out if you know. Well, another fun little project here in the can. We've got it all set up. It's just a good quality little tool that now will be preserved for a long time. Again, we weren't doing a restoration, just a preservation of this little tool that I found that was all rusted up. We've got a home for it over here on the wall, so we'll put it up. That way we'll be able to demonstrate it proudly. So guys, I just want to thank you so much for being here, for taking the time to check it out and enjoy this content with me. If you know somebody else that might enjoy this content, please share the link with them, as we do a lot of these tools in the future. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and next time I have a video up, hit the bell notification. That way you'll know when a video is posted. And guys, give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for the channel. Let YouTube know that people are watching this content and enjoying it. So guys, above all, thanks so much to you, and I hope you have a great day. God bless.